everybody, this is Jana here. Welcome back to the second episode of Food Tips with Chef Jana. And today I have something very important for all of us cooks, which is the different types of cutting. This is very important. This is one of the first things that we learn in the cooking school because it's really, like I said, important. First, because you speed up the process of cutting and you cut by 1/3 the length of your cooking, the time of your cooking. And second, because it gives you confidence. It's very important when you're cooking, especially if you're cooking professionally or for a large crowd. And those cuts, they were put together by the French, of course, back in the days, because the French, they were the pioneers of putting out the techniques and transforming the intuition cook into something technical which can be learned and passed through books. This is awesome. And so I have here several cuts that's going to be very useful for you, and let's get into it. Oh, by the way, before you start the process of cutting, it's very important that you have a very good and very firm board, which you're going to secure by adding a damp cloth or paper towel underneath so it doesn't move and it doesn't go anywhere. And the other thing that is really important is one very good, preferably chef's knife. And why do I say chef's knife instead of the other ones? Because it has these oblique blade, which allows you to do the rocking movement, go back and forth. And this is, again, it speeds up the process of cutting a lot. So let's get into it. this is it for today. I hope you have enjoyed this video. I certainly had a lot of fun cutting and then doing all the techniques again. They felt like I was back in school. It was so much fun. Those classes were my favorite, and they were very difficult because we see it and we see people doing that on TV or on YouTube, and then it looks like really easy, but it's actually not. But the key to perfect that is practice, 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 until one day you're gonna look back and you're like, oh my God, I've come so far. And you're gonna feel so proud of yourself. It's so worth it. So I hope you have loved it, because I do. This is one of my favorite things to do in the kitchen. Believe it or not, I love cutting. And I see you next time. Don't forget, like, share, subscribe, hit that bell button over there so you don't miss any of the videos that I'll be publishing in the future, and help the channel to grow. This is very important. And I see you next time. Have a wonderful week. Bye bye.